We're told a scale drawing of Denali National Park uses a scale of 1 centimeter to 200 meters. Marta made a smaller drawing of Denali National Park. Which scales could Marta have used for her drawing? Choose all answers that apply. So pause this video, have a go at that before we do this together. Okay, so if her drawing is smaller, then that means a smaller distance is going to represent, say, 200 meters. One way to think about it, if in this original drawing, this is 1 centimeter, and if it represents 200 meters, maybe that could be a hill like that. Well, now you're going to represent that hill, you're going to draw it smaller. So maybe a half a centimeter would represent that same 200 meters. So we have to look for something where the ratio between this number and the 200 meters, or the larger number, is even smaller. So let's see, 1 centimeter to 250 meters. Yes, that would make sense because now we have the same distance that representing more, or the same distance on the map representing more distance in real life. So it will be a smaller map. So we like that one. 1 centimeter to 125 meters. No, that won't be the case because that means that 1 centimeter is now representing less. So if you had to draw it, it would have to be a bigger map. 1 centimeter to 400 meters. Yeah, so now each centimeter is representing twice as much. So if you were to draw that hill in this world, that hill would have now, that same 200 meters would now be half a centimeter in width. So I like that choice as well. Let's do another example. So here we are told that a scale drawing of a roller coaster uses a scale of 1 centimeter to 4 meters. In the drawing, the roller coaster's height is 15 centimeters. Jeremiah made a new drawing of the roller coaster using a scale of 1 centimeters to 1 meters. What is the height of the roller coaster in Jeremiah's drawing? Let me pause the video and have a go at this one too. All right, so the way my brain likes to tackle it is, let's use this initial information to just think about how big that roller coaster is in real life, and then think about using Jeremiah's scale, how big he would have to draw it. So in the original drawing, the scale is 1 centimeter is 4 meters in real life. 1 centimeter in the drawing is 4 meters in real life. In the drawing, the roller coaster's height is 15 centimeters. So that would be 15 times 4 meters. So in real life, the roller coaster is going to be 15 centimeters times, we could write it this way, times 4 meters per every 1 centimeter. That is the scale. So we are going to get it to be 60 meters in real life. And just think about what's going on here. 15 centimeters is 15 times that 1. So the real life distance is going to be that times 15, or the real life height. So that's going to be 60 meters. So that's in real life, but that's not what they're asking us. They're asking us, how tall would this roller coaster be on Jeremiah's drawing? So Jeremiah made a drawing of the roller coaster using a scale of 1 centimeter to 1 meter. So if 1 centimeter in his drawing represents 1 meter in real life, and this is 60 meters, well, then that means that his drawing is going to be 60 centimeters. Each meter corresponds to a centimeter in his drawing. So that's how tall the roller coaster would be in his drawing.